and sweetly didst thou glide the day I was my Willie's bride, and years since he hours run like Logan to the summer sun. But now the flowery banks appear like drumly winter dark and drear, while my dear lad maun face his face far far frae me and Logan Braes. Again the merry month for me has made our hills and valleys gay, the birds rejoice in leafy bowers, the bees hum round the breathing flowers. Blithe morning lifts his rosy eye, and evening's tears are tears o' joy. My soul delightless surveys, while Willie's far frae Logan Braes. Within yon milk-white hawthorn bush, among her nestlings sits the thrush, and faithful mate will share her tale, or wi his sang her cares beguile. But I, wi my sweet nurslings here, nae mate to help, nae mate to cheer, pass wedded necks and joyless days, while Willie's far frae Logan Braes. Oh, way upon ye meadow state, that brethren rouse and deedly hate, as ye Magnolia fond herd mourn, say may it on your heeds return. How can your flinty hearts enjoy the widow's tears, the orphan's cry, but soon may peace bring happy days, and Willie hame to Logan